kita kan kawan. Dah lama kan kita kawan. Aku tahu kau tak ada kerja 5 tahun. Kau dah menganggur. Okey, bagus. Macam ni, aku nak kau pergi Bangkok. Kerja kau senang je. Kau kena ambil baju budak-budak, kasut dan baju Melayu. Kau jangan risau. Kalau kau pergi Bangkok, kau akan jumpa kawan aku. Nama dia Daddy. Tak apa. Nanti kat Bangkok, Daddy akan uruskan segalanya. Dia akan bagi kau sampel baju budak-budak, kasut dan baju Melayu tu. Okey. Satu lagi. Nanti lepas kau pergi Bangkok, kau akan pergi Hat Nyai dan Chiang Mai untuk ambil lagi sampel baju Melayu dan baju budak-budak tu. Okey, bagus. Stop makan.
Jitra Kedah. Mudah gelap mata dengan imbuhan wang yang menyebabkan masih ramai kedai dadah yang sanggup menjalankan misi maut menyeludut dadah dari negara jiran Thailand. Selasa lalu, seorang pemuda warga Malaysia berusia 30-an telah diberkas pihak berkuasa imigresen Malaysia selepas mendapati menyeludup masuk dadah berbahaya jenis metafetamin ke dalam Malaysia. Tertuduh dikenali sebagai Muhammad Taufik Hidayat ditahan pihak berkuasa imigresen ketika berada di unit pemeriksaan penumpang bas atau pejalan kaki Kompleks Imigresen Bukit Kayu Hitam dalam daerah Kubang Pasu dalam negeri Kedah Darul Aman. Sumber berkata tertuduh ditahan sekitar 2:30 petang pada 5 Ogos 2014 selepas pihak imigresen mendapat maklumat berkenaan keadaan suspek yang mencurigakan. Hasil pemeriksaan lanjut, pihak penjenayah narkotik telah menemui sejumlah dadah jenis metafetamin ke dalam sebuah bagasi tertuduh yang berisi baju kanak-kanak, baju Melayu dan juga kasut. Tertuduh ditahan sejurus tiba di unit pemeriksaan penumpang bas atau pejalan kaki Kompleks Imigresen Bukit Kayu Hitam dalam daerah Kubang Pasu dalam negeri Kedah Darul Aman. Tertuduh dikesan menggunakan taktik meletakkan bungkusan dadah di dalam bagasi miliknya. Tertuduh yang disoal siasat ini telah didakwa disuruh oleh seorang lelaki warga Malaysia yang kemudian mengupahnya menyeludup dadah jenis metafetamin. Adakah dia bersalah? Kita nantikan keputusan daripada Mahkamah Rayuan Kuala Lumpur. Saya Nur Atira melaporkan dari Wise Law TV.
Nanti akan ada siasatan susulan. So kita kena tunggu keputusan Mahkamah Rayuan Tinggi. the case is about the respondent is carrying the drug hidden in the luggage. Your Honor, this is why we want you to judge the respondent. Thank you.
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the court, my name is Itls. I'm the representative on behalf of defendant, my client Muhammad Taufik Hidayat. It was a case at the state of country of Kedah, where my client was accused for bringing drug type methamphetamine at the border of the country, Bukit Kayu Hitam, without the knowledge or the presence of the drugs, and he's not guilty. That's all.
Your Honor, I would like to call the accused to take a stand.
Before you speak, can you please say and raise your right hand?
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Encik Taufik, please introduce yourself first.
Nama saya Muhammad Taufik Hidayat. Saya berasal dari Medan, Indonesia.
Can you tell us about a little bit about your profession?
Saya sudah 5 tahun enggak punya pekerjaan. Jadi saya datang ke Malaysia karena mendapat tawaran pekerjaan daripada teman saya bernama Iwan.
What do you bring in the luggage?
Saya membawa pakaian kanak-kanak, baju Melayu dan juga beberapa pasang kasut.
Do you know that you bring the forbidden things in the luggage?
Saya enggak tahu bahwa dapat barang terlarang di dalam bagasi itu.
Objection, Your Honor. Respondent was at Haitnai when he received a phone call from his brother for a meetup in Kuala Lumpur. Boy Rosita, can you tell me a little bit about your profession?
I'm the security officer who secure the passerby.
How long have you been in this career?
I have been in this career for 5 years.
Have you been involved in this case for the past 5 years?
I never involved in case like this.
How could you assure us that the crystal substance you found in his bag was drug, since you only have been working in this career for the past 5 years? You have never experienced this case like this. So how could this girl, this woman like here, right here, no more questions?
Objection, Your Honor. I would like to call the second witness to take the stand. Mr. Azizat, can you tell us a little bit about your profession?
My name is Azizan Abdullah. I'm officer from Narcotic Unit, Supervisory. I've been working in this career for 25 years.
Are you sure these things is the drugs?
Yes, of course, it is methamphetamine.
One last question. Do you have the report of the drugs? Thank you.
Yes, I do have this report. This is first evidence. This is second evidence. This is third evidence. And this is fourth evidence. This is fifth evidence. This is sixth evidence. This is seventh evidence. This is eighth evidence. That's all. Inspektor, sila ke sini. Bila saya mengesyaki sesuatu yang berat. Ya ke? Anda pasti? Saya pasti. Biasa je. Apakah ini? Sila pergi periksa beg lain. Nampaknya ini seperti apa yang kita jangkakan. Betul, Inspektor, betul. Ya Allah. Banyak. Sila buka lagi. Rasanya sudah kata ini sahaja bahan bukti yang kita dapat. Baiklah, mari kita bawa ke makmal narkotik. Ciao.
It would not make sense why we want to send the accused all the way back to Bangkok just to bring the sample of children's clothing and women's shoes. The cost would be cheaper if those sample items were to send by post from Bangkok to Medan. Instead of paying the accused, expenses to fly him direct car and back. This argument may have certain degree of truth. However, the accused narrative was that he was asked to go Bangkok not just to take the samples back to Medan, he was also asked to search for other samples of clothing in Hat Yai and Chiang Mai. For this reason, it would not raise any suspicious circumstance that the items the accused was carrying is drugs.
Objection, Your Honor. In this case, we are all aware that the accused, Muhammad Taufik Hidayat, had no job for 5 years. Therefore, it will treat him and pay 2 million rupee or RM 650 ringgit for the job he offered him. Anyone who is poor and desperate who easily accepted the offer, of course they will accept it. Thus, why should the accused question Daddy, who Daddy was, and why should he feel suspicious when Daddy passed him the bag? And that's the reason why the accused just follow the instruction. Your Honor, my client is not guilty.
Even though the defense of the accused is valid defense, but ignorance simplicity is not enough to let the accused free. It needs more than that. Ladies and gentlemen of juries. Plus, the shoes was found in the black bag. At the same time, the drug is in that shoes.
Taufik, do you have a brother?
Ya benar aja.
Do you expect to meet your brother at Kuala Lumpur?
Ya benar aja.
Do you really confident that your brother is the only hope to rely on?
Ya benar aja.
So, do your brother is the last hope to rely on?
Iya, abang saya.
So, do your brother stay in Kelang?
Ya aja.
And which part in Kelang did he stay?
Saya tak tahu.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, on the other hand, we can look from previous cases. Public prosecutor versus Helena Purnamasari, public prosecutor versus Tan Kok An. All of that cases bring us to the willful blindness concept. The concept of willful blindness means the person intentionally shut his eyes to the obvious because he doesn't want to know what is taken to know. Your Honor, in other words, he is taken to know the true situation. All of these cases bring us to the same matter regarding in the cases, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen, therefore, he has the opportunity to check for what himself was carrying. So all of that prove the respondent was found guilty, Your Honor. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of juries, it's up to you to judge whether the accused is guilty or not. Thank you.
Respondent have found guilty and convicted the trafficking charge. We order the respondent to be sentenced to mandatory death penalty. The court will be dismissed.
Any last words?
Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah.
君と夏の